Rudi, tell us about your daily schedule.
Okay, I wake up at 9 p.m. Then I drink my morning coffee at 10 p.m.
Please repeat your sentence again.
I wake up at 9 p.m. Then I drink coffee at 10 p.m.
Is night. Correct version. I wake up at 9 a.m. and I drink coffee at 10 a.m.
So my life has been backwards.
That explains a lot.
Do we ask the time in English? What time is it?
How much time is the clock doing?
That sentence is very long.
How much time is the clock doing?
Sentence is, what time is it?
English is judging me.
3 o'clock.
3:00 time.
Wrong sentence again.
6:30.
Correct.
11 o'clock. AM, PM or both.
No one says that.
You say either 11 a.m. or 11 p.m. So, when do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 AM.
Daytime.
Okay. I sleep at 11 PM.
Progress.
Every day in every way, we get better and better. Every day in every way, we get better and better. Every day in every way, we get better and better. If this helped you learn English,
Like the video.
Share it with a friend.
and subscribe for our next lesson.